Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Picture this. A serene sky suddenly swarms with the eerie buzz of 100 tiny hostile drones, like a scene straight out of Black Mirror where tech turns traitor. This isn't just sci-fi, it's the real, escalating threat militaries face today. From cheap quadcopters spying on bases to autonomous drone swarms overwhelming defenses, the age of drone warfare is here, and it's rewriting the battlefield. How do you stop an enemy that's small, fast, and comes in droves? The US Army's got a jaw-dropping answer. A secret drone killer called MLIDS, Mobile, Low, Small, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, Integrated Defeat System. Before we unpack this game changer, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our tech deep dive crew, your front row seat to the future of warfare. What's your favorite sci-fi drone scene, and does it feel too close to reality? Drop it in the comments and let's spark a debate. Number 10. The costly challenge of drone warfare. Firing a $1 million missile at a 1,000 drone is a losing game. Imagine M-ATV with his repulsors. It's not practical. The challenge is crafting a system that's cost-effective, precise, and can tackle dozens, if not hundreds, of drones at once. For years, the Pentagon's been testing everything from high-powered lasers to microwave weapons and jamming systems. Lasers? Useless in fog or rain. Jammers? They can scramble friendly comms. Conventional guns? Good luck hitting a nimble drone zipping like a hummingbird. The perfect drone killer was a pipe dream until MLIDS rolled in, ready to star as the shield in a Captain America-style defense epic. Developed through DARPA and field-tested in 2024 at Fort Sill, MLIDS is a mobile fortress that's changing the game. So, how does it work, and why is it so revolutionary? Let's break it down, and I want to hear, what's the scariest drone threat you can imagine facing this tech? Comment below. Number 9. The vehicle. A moving fortress on wheels, mounted on a rugged Oshkosh M-ATV, mine-resistant ambush, protected all-terrain vehicle. MLIDS is the ultimate anti-drone bodyguard, moving with troops to create a protective bubble against aerial threats, like the force fields in Star Wars, guarding rebel bases. It's not just one weapon, but a symphony of cutting-edge tech working in perfect harmony. Number 8. The eyes and ears. Advanced detection systems. First up, it's eyes and ears, a suite of radar and electro-optical infrared EOIR sensors like the ANTPQ-53 radar and Coyote EO systems. These scan miles of sky, detecting drones as small as a DJI Mavic, 30 cm wide, from 10 km away, even in cluttered urban environments. Advanced AI software, built on 2025 upgraded neural networks, analyzes flight paths, speeds, and signatures to instantly classify drones as friend or foe. Think Jarvis from Iron Man running threat analysis in real time. In Ukraine 2025 exercises, MLIDS tracked 50+ simultaneous targets with 98% accuracy. You can't neutralize what you can't see, and MLIDS sees everything. What's a movie AI you'd trust to run this system? Share your pick. Number 7. The First Strike. Electronic warfare. Jamming. Once a threat's locked in, MLIDS unleashes its arsenal with a layered approach. First, it goes electronic, firing targeted radio frequency, RF beams to jam the drone's link to its operator. Picture the drone pilot in a Matrix-style control room, staring at a blank screen as their controls go dead. The drone might hover aimlessly, return to base, or crash neutralized without a bullet. This soft kill worked against 80% of commercial drones in 2024 Redstone Arsenal tests, costing pennies per takedown. Number 6. The hard kill 30mm smart cannon. But what about autonomous drones? Pre-programmed like the relentless machines in Terminator, Dark Fate, jamming won't cut it. That's when MLIDS brings out the 30mm M230LF cannon, firing programmable airburst rounds. Its fire control system, synced with radar, calculates the drone's exact position, speed, and trajectory, programming each shell to detonate mid-air, creating a shrapnel cloud like a smart shotgun blast from Aliens. In 2025 Yuma Proving Ground demos, It shredded drone swarms at 2 kilometers with 95% hit rates. What's a movie weapon this cannon reminds you of? Drop it in the comments. Number 5. The Laser Upgrade. Sci-fi becomes reality. For the ultimate sci-fi punch, some MLIDS variants pack 50 kilojoule high-energy lasers, compact enough to fit on the M-ATV, yet powerful enough to burn through a drone's circuits in seconds. Think War of the Worlds heat rays, but real. Tested in 2025 against Group 1-2 drones, up to 20 kilodreams. These lasers offer pinpoint accuracy and an unlimited magazine as long as power flows, costing under 1 per shot. Unlike bulky 1990s lasers, these are battlefield-ready, with cooling systems for sustained use. They've downed drones in foggy conditions where traditional optics fail, as shown in Fort Bragg trials. The catch? Dust or heavy rain can still reduce effectiveness. Imagine this laser in a Star Trek phaser duel. How would it fare? Comment your thoughts. Number 4. Mobility and integration. Defense on the move. What sets MLIDS, Mobile Low, Slow, Small Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, Integrated Defense System apart is its mobility and adaptability. Unlike static air defenses anchored to fixed sites, MLIDS rolls with convoys or protects forward operating bases, shifting dynamically across ever-changing battlefronts where drones can appear from any vector, like the unpredictable combat loops in Edge of Tomorrow. Mounted on the M-ATV platform, it can tear across rough terrain at over 70 km/h, keeping perfect stride with striker brigades and ensuring the protection isn't confined to the rear echelons. Integrated into the Army's IBCS, Integrated Battle Command System, MLIDS doesn't fight alone. It shares targeting data with Patriot and THAAD units, weaving itself into a layered air defense web. During the 2025 Pacific Joint Drills, MLIDS showcased this networked lethality, proving that even small mobile units can plug into a continent-scale sensor grid. Number 3. The Changing Battlefield. Rise of Cheap Drone Warfare. But the real shift isn't just in machinery, it's in mindset. Cheap, mass-produced drones like Iran's Shahed 436 or the commercial quadcopters turned weapons by ISIS in 2023 have democratized air power, making aerial warfare accessible to anyone with a soldering iron and GPS. This forced militaries to evolve faster than doctrine, embracing agility over armor. Number 2. AI Evolution. The Smart Warfighter, MLIDS, stands at the cutting edge of that evolution. The 2025 upgrade package introduces AI-driven swarm defense, enabling the system to track, prioritize, and neutralize over 100 simultaneous drone threats. It's a living algorithm, learning, reacting, adapting, turning battlefields into real-time chessboards of electrons and propellers. Think Tron meets Black Hawk Down, a cat-and-mouse game of drones versus anti-drones, each leap in offense matched by a counter in defense. This is the future of warfare, decentralized, data-driven, and dangerously fast. As MLIDS continues to evolve, one question remains. What would you design as the next leap in counter-drone warfare? A directed energy cloud? Smart mesh jammers? Nanobot interceptors? Share your wildest battlefield innovation below, because in this game, imagination is the ultimate weapon. Number 1. The future, MLIDS and the next war. This fusion of AI, sensors, electronic warfare, and kinetic firepower makes MLIDS a testament to military ingenuity, like the tech marvels in Avengers Endgame. It signals the U.S. Army's serious stance on drone threats, with 2025 deployments planned for Indo-Pacific and European theaters. As drones get smarter, think autonomous AI swarms by 2030. MLIDS will evolve, potentially adding microwave weapons or nano-drone interceptors. The sky's now a multi-layered battleground, and MLIDS is the shield. What does this mean for future wars? Are drones the biggest threat, or just the start? Drop your predictions in the comments. That's the epic scoop on MLIDS warfare's sci-fi future. Here now, which part blew your mind most? Comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into military tech. Let's keep exploring the battlefield of tomorrow. See you in the next one.